Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing my monthly highlight. I'll be using this kit from Meow, and it is the July monthly kit. This is what it looks like, and it's in gold foil. Now I did use some of the items that came with this kit. Here's the deco. Get some more functional boxes. And if you hear some noise, that's my dog playing with the toy. So I used one of the payday scripts from here. I used the camera, and I forgot what this was, but I used it. I think it was probably a shopping bag. But so yeah, I did use the payday script because I knew I wasn't gonna need it. My payday is not like probably not like everybody else's. If you watch my Plan with Me's, you don't really see me put work or payday on there. If I do put it on there, it's because I only get paid basically one day out of the month. So I'm gonna go ahead and set everything up, and I will probably play some music. And I think I'm gonna do a Monday start date. That's what I did with July, I believe. Yeah, so I did Monday. Yeah, I did a Monday start date. So let me look at my calendar. So I'll be popping in and out of the video as needed, just to let you know where some icons and characters are from. Like this one is from the Planner Studio. It's the mama holding the baby, and I really love this icon, and I'm using that to mark that I rocked the baby to sleep. And I don't know how much longer he is gonna let me do that, so I did want to go ahead and mark that. And as you see, I'm trying not to put all the numbers down first like I did for June, because I ended up having to pull up like when I needed to use the full boxes for the month. So on the 12th, I marked that I got my nails done. I used some deco from the kit. The frame is from Alyssa's Craft Shop, and the UV nail light, LED light, is from JK Create Co. I really love that icon, and it matches the one that I have at home. On the 15th, I wanted to mark that I got some Happy Mail. That was from Sadies stickers. On the 18th, I had a Zoom class that I wanted to mark the gold boxes from Sadies stickers, and I just layered some florals from the kit. And I just really wanted to keep this monthly simple. On the 25th, I wanted to mark that we had Sunday dinner, and we normally have that every Sunday, but I didn't want to be so repetitive in the monthly, so I just marked it for one day out of the month. On the 27th, I received my B6thology planner from Amazon, and the little planner is from White Deer Stationery. I also marked my payday. The scallop circle is from, oh no, that's the doily. So the doily is from Alyssa's Craft Shop. The payday script is from the kit, and the character is from the Planner Studio. On Friday the 30th, I received some Happy Mail from Alyssa's Craft Shop and Simply Gilded. And on the 31st, I wanted to mark that I got my COVID vaccine. And I just went ahead and added some more details throughout the kit, since I didn't want to really add any more to this monthly. Here I'm just adding the piece of washi from the kit to add some color to the boxes that I had left over. And all of the foiled florals that I'm using is from the freebie that I got from Meow. I don't know if that was the freebie or if it just comes with the kit. And on the 14th, I wanted to mark that I paid my credit card. And the credit card is from the kit. And for the sidebar, I just used the scripts that she had to mark this month: goals, wants, and important. I didn't mark anything there since I don't use this planner functionally. I just accidentally clicked a checklist instead of the decorative box or the decorative sidebar. So now I'm just adding all of the flags in just to mark one. I did an Instagram post, and that is pretty much it for this monthly spread. I do add the circle layering pieces to mark a couple of my uploads for the month. I honestly just kept it sweet and to the point this month, which I actually loved doing. I didn't want it to look so cluttered, and I think that worked out nice. And also for on the 1st of the month there, the frame box is from Alyssa's Craft Shop, as well as the Hello July script. So this is a wiggle for you. I am going to go ahead and write down some things and move some things around, because I went and I looked at my shop app and I realized that some of the days that I received Happy Mail was wrong the way I put it down. So I'm going to move that around now, and I'm just adding some florals or some deco just to bring some color. So here I'm just writing in nails boo because I got my nails done. Here is another wiggle for you with a little bit of pen on the paper. Here's what I had left over. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If so, please give me a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel. Bye.